question for single channel queuing system. That is, a grocery store has one checkout counter. The customer arrives at this checkout counter at random from 1 to 8 minutes apart, and each of occurs. The service time may varies from 1 to 6 minutes with probability given below. The probability for service time is given here, and we need to calculate average waiting time of a customer, average service time, average time between arrival, and random digit for arrival are given here, and random digit for service are given here. The total number of a random digit for arrival and random digit for service are 6. So I am written 6 here. Okay, that will help you in solving the problem. Okay, now moving to the solution. Please watch the previous videos. Okay, that will help you in better understanding. Okay, now the first step is distribution of time between arrival. Here we need 4 columns, and the customer numbers can be known from the question, that is, customer arrives at this checkout counter at random from 1 to 8. So we are writing 1 to 8 here for the arrival, and the probability for each customer is 1 by 8, and the decimal value of 1 by 8 is 0.125. So we are writing 0.125 for all the 8 customers. Next, cumulative probability. Here the first value of cumulative probability is probability value, keep as it is, and for the next value you just add these two values and you will get this value, and next you need to add these two values, that is 0.250 and 0.125, then the value is 0.375. okay, continue for the other values. Next, for the random digit assignment, just consider the values which are after the decimal values and write down those values at the right side of the random digit assignment, and we are here creating the intervals, that is 001 from 1 to 125, then from 126 to 250, then 251 to 375. Continue for the same, and at the last we need to end with the 000. Okay, now second step, that is distribution of service time, and the service time numbers can be known from the question, that is the service time may varies from 1 to 6. So we are writing 1 to 6 here. Okay, and the probability value are given in the question, so we are writing the probability values, and cumulative probability and random digit assignment can be calculated same how we are calculated in the first step. Okay, now moving to the third step, that is to determine time between arrival. Here we need 3 columns, that is customers, random digit, inter-arrival time. Okay, and this value can be known from here. Random digit assignment for arrival we are consider 6, so 1 to 6, and random digits are given in the question for the arrival, so we are writing those values, and we are excluding the last value because the first value of a random digit should be always considered as a 0 for the arrival, so we are excluding the last value and writing the other values here. Okay, and next, for inter-arrival time, the first value of random digit is 0, so considering it as a 0 only, and next we are taking 913 and check in the table 1 where 913 lies. Okay, now 913 lies in the last row, that is 8. The value is 8, so we are writing inter-arrival time as a 8, and continue for the other values. The fourth step is to determine service time. here we need 3 columns, and the customers are known from here. That is, we are consider random digit for service as 6, so we are considering 6 customers, and random digits are given in the question, so we are writing here. And service time can be calculated as, we are taking 84 and check in the table 2 where 84 lies. 84 lies in the 4th row, so the value is 4 here. Continue for the other values. Okay, you will get the answer. Now moving to the last step, that is simulation table. Now the inter-arrival time and service time are known from the previous steps. Okay, and the arrival time can be calculated as, first is 0, so considering it as 0, and then 0 plus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 6 is 14. So continue for the other values, and I provided the formula for these. Okay, so please watch the previous video on single channel queuing system. Okay, and you will get the results. Okay, and these are the formulas for calculating average waiting time, and I will provide the notes for these in the blog, so please visit my blog. I will give the link in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching.